morning, so day 2 for a trip in Crete. Today we are in the town of Rethymno, I think. Quite a short drive from where we're staying.
Just going to have a look around.
Yeah, we'll just be exploring a bit, trying some local stuff.
We've organized a DIY walking tour. Important parts. So keep watching the video. We'll try some food around.
Yeah, currently we're in like a small merchant street, souvenir shops, that kind of stuff. So it's like a nice, quaint little town with these small, narrow streets winding through it.
It's like 10:30 and it's still quite quiet. It's quiet.
Yes, yeah.
So it's very nice at this time.
Yeah. Catch you later.
What I like to do is pinpoint interesting points on the map and figure out the best route, ideally creating a loop to avoid backpedaling and unnecessary walking, especially since we had our young nephew with us on this trip. I also like to mark some food stops along the way. The streets in the old town of Rethymno are mostly narrow, shaded streets, with shops on each side, most of which selling souvenirs and local products. It's actually quite a nice vibe. This bakery had a lot of amazing snacks and treats. The smell inside was divine, but we had something else in mind. This place, called Mona Lisa, is a traditional confectionery shop which has been open since the 1950s. Their Galaktoboureko is often named as one of the best in the whole country. Later in the trip, we realized that since the Galaktoboureko was still warm, it sort of melted in the plastic container and lost its shape, but not its taste. We realized later on in the trip that it should be more like this.
So we just finished tasting two other local delicacies. One is the Galaktoboureko, which is a sweet cheese with the top of a phyllo pastry. I think it has quite a bit of honey as well in it. It's very tasty. And the other one is Lucomates. This one? And yeah, so it's a fried donut ball just topped with chocolate. It's a nice snack.
After that sweet stop, we headed down to the old Venetian Harbour to complete our walking tour. So a couple of tips. Since we had treats along the way, we were not really hungry for lunch. So we decided to have a refreshing drink by the sea and some nibbles. We were immediately greeted by a restaurant usher who told us he would arrange some mezze for us to share. Do not let the waiter decide what to get. Be specific from the menu what you want. This was our mistake. We ended up paying €200 for these 2 platters. It was good food, but definitely overpriced. For parking, we found ample space to park next to the Venetian Harbour, even though we arrived late around 10 a.m. Later on in the day, around 2 p.m, when we left, the parking was full of cars waiting. We paid €6 and we found it very convenient. We enjoyed Rethymno. It is a very quaint town. Definitely add to your itinerary. And while you're at it, watch our Crete playlist for some more ideas to add to your trip.